Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone! In this video I will explain how to set up Marvel Rivals mods. First, it's important to know that modding is only possible for PC players. Console versions do not support them. To begin, you'll need a file extraction program, such as WinRAR or 7-zip, to handle compressed mod files. Once you have that, the very first step is to locate your Marvel Rivals game installation folder on your computer. This is usually found within your Steam or Epic Games library directories. Now let's dive into the manual installation process. Begin by downloading your chosen mods from a trusted modding website. Next, you'll need to navigate to your game's main directory, then proceed to Marvel Game, Marvel Content, and finally, the Packs folder. Inside this Packs folder, create a new folder and name it exactly as ~mods. After that, simply extract your downloaded mod files, which are typically pack files, and drag them directly into your newly created ~mods folder. It's a straightforward copy and paste operation. For a more streamlined experience, you might consider using a dedicated mod manager. These tools, like the Marvel Rivals Mod Manager, can significantly simplify the process, offering one-click installation and easy toggling of your mods on or off. This saves you from manually moving files around. Keep in mind that some game updates might require a specific signature bypass to ensure your mods remain compatible. Always make sure your chosen mod manager is updated to its latest version for the best performance and compatibility. Before you jump into modding, there are a few crucial points to remember. First, modding is always undertaken at your own risk, and there's a potential, though often small, chance of account issues. To avoid visual glitches, only install one mod per character outfit. It's also vital to always verify that your chosen mods are compatible with the game's current version. Finally, staying informed about any official game policies regarding third-party modifications is a smart practice to ensure a smooth and enjoyable modding experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.